So good morning students. Here I'll welcome you for our virtual class, and our today's topic is a letter writing. Students from the 4th standard, you are learning what is a letter writing. It is a writing skill, and in previously this your social media, it means your WhatsApp, Facebook, these kinds of things were, even the mobile phones were not there. So the peoples, they are connected with the people only through the letter writing. Okay, so the here the another letter type of letter writing is here. There are two types of letter writing. Okay, there are two types of letter writing, is a formal letter and another one is a informal letter. Okay, so for formal letter means a letter we are writing to the teacher or your society members, to municipal office, or to the other than family members, as we discussed at the beginning. So this is a formal letter writing. And another, okay, then another informal letter writing is this, that if you are writing a letter to your family members, if you are writing letter to the family members, or else your friends, okay, friends, these are types of letter writing comes in the informal letter writing. This comes in informal letter writing. Okay, students, so it's very important because in informal letter writing we are not directly hold to the topic of the lesson, a topic of your letter writing. Okay, if you are writing a letter to your mother, okay, if you are writing a letter to your mother, let me just tell me, will you write to your mother, mama, tomorrow in my school this letter is there, respected mama, tomorrow in my school this letter is there, the function is there, you have to come to school. Directly you will not talk with this with like this with your mother. First what you say, hi mama, how are you, I hope you are well, means you are showing your concern, your love to that member. So it means that student, informal letter you cannot catch, you cannot hold directly to the subject of the letter. First you show your concern, okay, that you got the letter, you are worried about to that particular person, you have to show in a first paragraph. In a second paragraph, now you directly touch to the topic. If this happened, mama, in my school this function is there, you have to come to school. Okay, then the third paragraph you have to say bye bye, take care of yourself, show love to my younger one, show respect to my the elder one. These things you have to show in a third paragraph. Always keep it in mind, students. Just informal letter we are supposed to write in a 3 to 4 paragraph. And formal letter, you will not ask the principal officer, or you will not ask to the principal, hi sir, how are you, I hope you are well. You will not talk such kind of things, words to with that person. Am I correct, student? Am I correct? Will you talk teacher, क्या आप कैसे हो, आपका लेटर मिला क्या, ऐसे वैसे आप ऐसे टीचर को पूछ सकते हो? You cannot ask. तो डायरेक्टली जो भी आप प्रॉब्लम्स होता है, आप टीचर्स के पास जाते हो, प्रिंसिपल्स के पास जाते हो, सोसाइटी मेंबर्स के पास जाते हो, डायरेक्टली आप टॉपिक बोलते हो ना कि टीचर ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है, व्हाट आई विल डू. Correct? So it means that this things is a mandatory while writing. You have to consider while writing a letter. Okay, so in a 6th standard you have only informal letter writing, means a type of letter that you can write to your family members. Okay, so that informal, okay, informal letter writing. Okay, informal letter writing. Informal letter writing, what is required? It requires your address. See, might be your parents, they are teaching you, know that when we were in school, we are supposed to write a letter on a right hand side. No, student, now the format has changed. Now we all are supposed to write your address. Okay, this address only to the left hand side. Okay, might be if your parents or another person will teach you the letter writing, if they tell you you are supposed you have to write a address on a right hand side, no, the pattern has changed. आप लोग के पास टीचर, मेरे पास बुक है, बुक में तो राइट हैंड साइड में लिखा है, तो वो पुराना बुक है, that is the old book. आप न्यू बुक भी खरीदते हैं, so they are writing address on the left hand side. So here you are supposed to write your address, a person who is writing a letter, and okay, and below that address you are supposed to mention, see, without pin code number your address is incomplete. Really, without this your address is incomplete. So it means that you are supposed to mention your pin code number. What you are supposed to mention? Your pin code number. Then later on, date. Date is compulsory. See, when you are writing a letter writing for the exam, half marks for this address, half marks for this date. फॉर्मेट के लिए 2 ही मार्क्स होते हैं, बट दिस एड्रेस एंड द डेट you have half of marks, and this is salutation. Salutation means you are writing a dear mama, dear your friend name, you can write anything, begin with a dear only. Okay, then this is for half marks. So can you think student 4 marks का लेटर आता है, 4 marks से 1.5 marks सिर्फ तुम्हारा एड्रेस and for the date and for the salutation यहाँ पे 1.5 marks cover हो गए. Okay students, so that's why address you have to write your own address. It means you can write without any spelling mistakes. Date for the half marks and salutation. So it's very important to see this point, students. Okay, then later on, this is a body of the lecture. Okay, body of the letter. So body of the letter, as we discussed at the beginning only, that in a body of the letter, what we are supposed to do, we have to, in a first paragraph, you have to show concern to your family members. So if you are writing a letter to your friend, first paragraph, show always concern that I got your letter, how are you, for the sake of God, hope you are fine, well. These kinds of sentences should be included in a first paragraph. Second paragraph, as you are supposed to write your what purpose you are writing a letter, that you are supposed to mention it. Okay, then the third one, it is a complimentary. Okay, closing, we called it as a closing. Okay, so what we write it closing, yours affectionately, or always, if you are facing problem that because you will not write affectionately for few people, so yours faithfully, yours lovingly, you can write as a closure. And don't mention, you have to mention your name also, you have to mention. See students, half marks for the address, half marks for your date, half marks for the salutation, and half marks for this your lovingly और yours faithfully लेने के लिए half marks होता है. इसका मतलब जो बीच में रहता है ना, for this you have only 2 marks. तो इसका मतलब है teacher will not cut your marks in your address, date, and the salutation and your complimentary closure. Okay, she will not cut marks in that, but she can cut your marks in this only. So that students be very careful that you will not do mistakes in these 4 parts. Okay, this is not for 6th standard. If you are in a 10th standard, same pattern, सेम वो आंसर्स मतलब मार्क्स का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है. Okay, now the next. Okay, these are the example. These are the example of your letter. that you are inviting a friend for spending a vacation together. If you are writing a letter to your friend, so it means it is an informal letter. See, observe it. Your basically first is what address is important, then date, then write your name of a friend. See, here you can see, it's been a long time since we met. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I hope this letter finds you in a good health. It means that I am showing my concern to Swati, that hope she is well. ऐसा सब कुछ मतलब I have shown this. Okay, so these are my concern. And then directly to the second paragraph. For the second paragraph, what? As you know that a summer vacation has already started, I was thinking of spending the vacation together in Mumbai. I want to take you out on the city tour as well as introduce my friends and family to you. I would love to go out and have a street food with you. We can enjoy some time near Marine Drive. It means that a second paragraph, you are concerned about that directly you are holding your subject key. Why you are writing a letter? You are inviting your friend. Okay. And second, show bye. I'm so excited when you will come here and we'll spend time together. Okay. And show response if possible. Come to me. See, here you have showed to your concern. Okay. So I hope your idea gets clear. And the last one is a closure with love. It's so important to you all. So student, what you are supposed to do, you are going to write this letter in your book, fast. Just a minute, student.